pines.
Tall pines like we have in Marilusen.
Huh?
But these tall trees were not in the beginning of the island either.
No. Oh, it's incredible how packed with forest is this island. Look, this is Baška already. Wow, I'm happy to be here. And how close! I thought this island is so huge. Look at this, my Mars trail.
That's nice.
Wow, look at these hills.
This
Wow.
is cool area, yeah.
I don't know if this is Mala or Velika Luka. I think it's possible Velika, but maybe it's really too small. So we go up on the hill to check out the view from the bird perspective. But here are so many nice flowers. Wow! So we are in small one right now. Mars trail is more orange, and this one is like a rock explosion. This one is like one area in Norway when everything exploded, you know. This is out of Kurvic Island the first time. There down is Baška, caught behind. Kayak is located in small luka, a small harbor, and here will be big one. Oh, wow, yeah. You see, this is Sen. Yeah, Sen. We came down and then we were driving all the way by the coast to park.
The other side.
I really like the small flowers on the way. Oh yeah, this is opening now. Wow, this one needs to be a huge one. Wow, but it's really good marked with this red one.
This is a long way and sail into all this. Wow.
Wow, this is a long sail, really. Here we are, the second bay.
There are 5 bays here. We probably parked in the first bay and this is the second.
Then
there are 3, 4,
Third,
5,
fourth.
and then there behind the 5th one is a huge one.
okay, this is the second.
Bay.
This is the fourth. And there behind,
On the
here,
other side, there we
it's
parked.
ours here down.
It's our bay where we have the canoe.
Yeps. And here, it's some kind of fence area. One more bay.
I think at the end to the left, behind this hill here, that's the big bay.
Bays are so beautiful here.
Yeah, bays are great.
Wow! Marvelous, marvelous.
Beautiful.
No tourists. We didn't meet not even one person. Let's go.
One last hill, come on.
Yeps. On the top we would see really down probably all Kirk.
Kirk.
Oh, this is really steep, this one.
Yeah, this is-
Wow. I even forgot that this was so steep. Wow. Wow. Oh!
On the way back, it's hard to find the red dot, but I think it's here.
Oh, it's here.
That's the red dot.
Yips, yips, yips. And here up. And here up. And here up. Oh, what? Ah,
Yeah, that's the red dot.
wow, this one was really steep. We can say on the way back, it's really rough.
Yeah, it's really rough on the way back. And now we went to visit one beach here.
Small break.
Yeah.